So first of all, we are gonna discuss about the information security. Okay, what is it? Okay, then we comes into the element of cyber security. Okay, what they are. Okay, and what they actually do. What the role in cyber security. Okay, of this
Mm,
element. Then we comes to our cyber kill chain methodology. What the step and what the methodology basically the attacker used. So we discuss here. Like the first stage is reconnaissance, second is the weaponization, third is delivery, fourth is exploitation, fifth is installation, six is command and control, and seven is our action and objective. And we also discuss about the TTPS, okay, that is tactics, techniques, and procedure. We also discuss about some of the hackers, types of hacker, and the some hacking vocabulary, okay, we should know actually. Attack vectors, discuss about the APT, what is this, discuss about the risk management, also discuss about the roles of artificial intelligence and machine learning in our cybersecurity. Okay, what the role of it, and discuss about the law and the standard which are followed by the organization. Now I give you a demonstration of the second module called reconnaissance. Okay, how to perform that. Okay, how to gather the information. Okay, how the actually hacker do to gather the information about from the maybe from the domains. So I open my terminal first. Let's discuss about the reconnaissance. Okay, what the type of a reconnaissance? Reconnaissance is nothing but is like a gathering information. Okay, also known as the footprinting. So here we the tools we're gonna cover in reconnaissance, like who is netcraft. Okay, so I have came here. Okay, this is basically like a search engine. Okay, for reconnaissance. Here we're gonna specify a domain first. So you here see that this domain actually about the registration details. Okay, when they had registered, about the update, about the domain, when the domain is gonna expire, and we come here about the so you see that they here the company. Okay, Chrome, and here the seven domains are related to this company, which we basically don't know. So let's click here and see what they are actually. So this domain are basically affiliated with this company. Okay, like Crow Security, this. Okay, so let's open this. So we see here some of the information like similar. You got some of the details here like city, state, address. Okay, and the email ID and the phone number. So we got a lot of information here. You also see that there are two domains basically registered by this email ID. So we open this, what they are actually, which are registered by this email. So here, these two domain. We also gather information by this. So we got a phone number here. Okay, let's try to find out whose number this actually. So basically, I used a chatbot. Okay, in Telegram.
I
Yeah,
have a
yeah.
question.
Go ahead.
So, does this does this that bot on Telegram, does it work on Google numbers? If you have a Google number, can it work?
Yeah, of course.
Can
If
no
you-
when
if
I
I- if I got
can
your
it
number here,
identify who owns the number if it's a Google number?
yes, of course.
Okay.
They are the paid service. Okay,
All right.
through that
Can
service.
we do an actual example? Let me give you a Google number and let's see if the information will come up.
Okay. Send me the chat. Okay. Uh,
Okay.
I try by this bot. Okay. If it is possible, then good. We also got the information basically which social media platform are currently using this number. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. We discussed this in our class. Okay. In our actual class. This is a demo class basically. Okay. So
Mhm.
you see here the email here, right? I can use this
Mhm.
email for the phishing purpose. And also I use this mail for basically this number for phishing purpose, right? Because I get the basically name. We go here and okay, owner name like Mohit Yadav. We search it. Okay, or the basically you see some of the domains are owned by this name. They have the relation between. There are 163 domain related to Mohit Yadav. Also, we can search by the mail. So basically, these two domains are related by this mail. Okay, you see here. Basically, these are the basic. Okay, we in our class basically we discuss about the more advanced things. Okay, like now I'm gonna use a CLI based tools. So what this tool actually do? Okay, basically it's gather the information about the, like we specify a mail with with this. Okay, so what is it's do actually? It's gather the information. Okay, like we specify a mail with this tool, so it's all the information about the, means all the social media platform. Okay, through the API is called, and it's give it to us that whether this email is present or not to specific sites. Okay, like maybe x.com, Twitter, Sky, this type of. So you have seen it. I have basically used this mail in this platform like Adobe. Okay, uh, this platform and the Spotify. Yeah. Okay. Through this, you get the information about some of the sites, basically, which you have login by this mail. Okay. And
Okay, so question. I
yeah,
know
yeah,
this is just a demo class, but I want to make sure I'm understanding what
yeah, yeah,
you're telling me.
yeah.
So this tool, the CLI tool you just used right now,
Hmm.
uh, does it have a graphic user interface or it's just CLI?
No, we both have. Okay, but all are not the free, right? For the graphical, we have to paid, basically paid service.
Oh, I see, I see. But okay. So this same tool, it has a it has a paid service where you could use a graphic user interface.
Yeah,
Okay,
but
that's good.
we
What's the
we
name of
we
this
also
tool?
provide it in later. Okay.
What's the name of this tool? Is this still who is?
Yeah, not who is. These are the other tools like you see here, uh, Holehi. Wait, uh, here the tool's
Okay,
name.
holy heat. Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, like you said, it provides all the platforms
Mm.
where this email is
Mm.
registered.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Cool.
So this is totally a new account for demo purpose. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Uh, I- there are some alternative tools be like maybe this tool's gonna work or not. Okay. So I have a alternative
Okay.
tools. Okay. Because we can't rely on the single tools, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we have the alternative tools also. Like I have this alternative tool is basically Netcraft, called Netcraft, and the other is Who Easy, Who Easy. Okay, and one more tool is called NS Lookup, and one more tool is called Hunter.io. This way we have to specify a domain here too. When you scroll down, you see here a search option. So you see here some AS number, uh, IP, about the A records, about the full-time A records. Okay, and you see here the mail server, which technology are used by the website, about the firewall, about the hosting service. This is basically similar to Who is. You see here, this is similar to this tool. Name server information, and CLI based tool is called Dig. Okay, you see here some of the information, and other tool is called Host. Specify domain which you want test. Enter. You see here about the mail server information. Okay, what are the mail server actually are using? There are four mail server. sorry, I think 5 ns look. Basically these are the basic tools. Okay, here you have a lot of option. When you specify hyphen help, okay, you got a lot of option. You see a option, you gonna ask anything.
No, I'm good.
So here the,
Okay, yes. I actually have a question. So,
yeah, yeah, go ahead.
um, my primary focus is to sit and pass the CEH exam. So,
Yeah,
what's the exam like?
exam is like some of the question about the basic command about the nmap. Okay,
Okay,
uh, about the using of the script. Okay,
okay,
you basically they give you a bunch of a IP. Okay, you have to basically identify which IP is basically alive. Okay, after that you have to scan the port on that. Okay,
okay,
uh, in question is like basically uh, they ask you about which port are open. Okay, and which in this like port number 2222 4 times 2, which service is going on that port number, which
oh,
version.
okay, I
Okay,
see.
this type of question, like some of the SQL, like MySQL, you hear about the SQLi attack
Mm-hmm.
injection. Some
Yes,
of the injection attack
SQL
are also
injection.
there. Okay,
Oh, okay,
yeah, and some of the like privilege level question, like Linux privilege and window privilege.
okay.
Yeah, this type of question are there.
Because exam is basically on the scenario based question most of.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Scenario based. Okay, okay,
They will share you some file and you have to do the decrypt that file and guess the password of the particular broke the password like that.
okay.
Yeah, this is the model.
So you see here that this is Sherlock is basically more reliable than our previous tool. Okay, you see here it's basically give us a lot of information. Okay. And I also show you some of the other tools like I have been on. You hear about this?
It's called what? No.
About this search engine? Basically here you specify your mail and the phone number. Okay, whether your mail is a part of a breach, data breach or not. Okay, I
Oh,
gonna
oh,
specify a mail.
okay.
Okay, like this mail, I know this my basically mail is basically a part of a breach. So let's enter this mail. So yeah, so basically my password is totally compromised here. Okay, here the from where basically my data has been breached. So here the platform is basically, and here the date. And I told you about the hunter.io. Okay, what this tool actually do is for reverse mailing. Okay, like reverse you hear about the reverse ip lookup. So it is a mail lookup, reverse mail lookup. Okay, it's gather the information or the information about the mail. Okay, related to this mail. Okay, this type of basically service provide hunter.io. So everything we're gonna discuss in our class by step by step.